The ultimate in anti-aging, YouthShield Natural's Resveratrol Repair Complex is loaded with peptides and resveratrol to help correct current and prevent future skin damage. This serum has high concentrations of resveratrol, which assists in providing an even skin tone by treating hyperpigmentation often caused by sun damage or acne. It also has antioxidant benefits to improve skin complexion. The addition of 5 specific peptides and red tea extract help ease muscle contractions while stimulating collagen production. This assists in blurring the appearance of expression lines while helping to strengthen the skin's elasticity and suppleness. Use 1 to 2 pumps of the moisturizer and massage lightly over your face and neck. You'll want to use this morning and evening for the best results. For more information, please explore our website at www.nativeremedies.com.